If you've just joined X, formerly Twitter, you might be wondering how to add friends and start building your network. Most people get this wrong. They assume you add friends like on Facebook, but X works a bit differently. The surprising truth is that X uses followers and following instead of traditional friend lists. Here's how it works. First, find the person you want to connect with. You can use the search bar at the top, typing their name or username. Once you land on their profile, simply tap the follow button. Following someone means you'll see their tweets in your timeline, and they'll get a notification that you followed them. If the person follows you back, you'll essentially have a two-way connection, similar to a friend. You can then interact through direct messages or engage with each other's tweets. Pro tip, enable notifications for important people you want to keep up with, so you don't miss their posts. You can also explore suggested friends through Access Who to Follow section. It recommends accounts based on your interests, interactions, and location. This is an easy way to discover people in your niche or community. Most people get this wrong by looking for a friend request button. On X, the follower/following system replaces traditional friend requests, making connections simpler and more public. Finally, remember to check your privacy settings if you want to control who can follow you or send direct messages. This ensures you only connect with people you actually know or trust. In conclusion, adding friends on X is all about following, interacting, and building a network naturally. It's different from other social networks, but once you understand the system, it's quick and intuitive. If this guide helped you start connecting with friends on X, subscribe for more tips and tricks to master the platform.